Alright guys, so in order to enable this feature of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max called as Dynamic Island on basically any Android smartphone, first of all you'll need to go to the Google Play Store and download the Dynamic Spot application. Now don't worry, I'll drop a direct download link down below in the description, so you can definitely go ahead and directly download it from there. Now once this application is installed, go ahead, open it. Now click on next. Now click on the first option and you select all the apps you want to receive notifications of. Now by the way, if you want to receive notifications of all the applications, you do not have to toggle each application manually. Just tap on all and you'll find this on the top right corner of your screen. Now once you have done that, click on the second option now and you'll have to grant all the necessary permissions. After completing all these steps, click on done. But there are still a few more settings you need to enable, so click on notification and click on battery. Now basically enable the feature which is called as phone is charging. So this will basically give you this really beautiful animation whenever you put your phone on charge. Now if you click on pop-up settings and then click on dimensions, you can basically play around and adjust the size of the dynamic island according to your likings. Now if you click on pop-up settings and scroll down, you will see an option called as close while touching outside. So this will basically close the extended notification view whenever you tap anywhere outside the dynamic island. Now here are a couple of more things you need to know about this dynamic island. So whenever you get a notification and long press it, you can now get more information about that particular notification. Now apart from that, if you are listening to music, just long press on the dynamic island and you will get to pause and play the music over here. Apart from that, you can see the progress of the music as well as skip between tracks as well. So yeah, this is actually super useful. Now one thing I did notice is the audio wave of the music doesn't really move. So yeah, that's one thing you need to keep in mind. But hey, all in all, I'm just gonna say that this is a really fun app and you should give it a try. It's pretty useful and looks cool as well. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.